Hey there, I'm Emma, and today I want to talk to you about why watching TikToks and scrolling on your phone can actually be very good for your writing. What on earth am I talking about? So, watching short form video content is typically seen as a very negative activity. It messes with our attention span, and it's so easy to waste hours and hours scrolling. But watching short form videos like Instagram Reels and TikToks can be a surprisingly effective tool for writers looking to sharpen their craft. What I'm talking about here isn't just mindless consumption, it's actually utilizing a resource to improve your writing. These platforms aren't just for thoughtless scrolling when we haven't got anything else to do. They offer quick, digestible insights into storytelling and audience engagement and modern communication. They're actually pretty important, I think. It's a case of being able to curate a feed that you can dip into whenever you want to for a burst of inspiration or creative writing instruction. The key is to continually train that algorithm to show you what you'll find useful as well as entertaining. So, what exactly should you be looking for? And what am I claiming that these sorts of short videos can help you with? Well, the first thing is mastering conciseness and pacing, which is really important as a writer. Short form videos typically last 15 to 60 seconds. This forces creators to deliver a complete story arc, the hook, the build up, and the payoff in a tiny window. By watching them, writers can study how to trim fluff, build tension quickly, and end with impact. This translates directly to tighter prose, which is something that I think we all want to work on, stronger openings in chapters or articles, and more efficient dialogue. For instance, observing how a viral reel uses rapid cuts or cliffhangers can inspire you to use similar techniques in your narratives to keep readers absolutely hooked. Next, we have understanding audience engagement and hooks. Social media platforms reveal what grabs attention through likes, shares, and comments. Writers can analyze why certain videos explode. Maybe it's a relatable twist, an emotional punch, or some perfectly timed humor. And they can apply those principles to their own work. This helps craft compelling hooks for books, blog posts, or scripts that resonate with contemporary readers, especially younger demographics. It's like free market research for what makes stories absolutely unputdownable. The next thing that we can work on is to gain inspiration from trends and cultural relevance. TikToks and Reels are trend machines. They reflect current slang, memes, pop culture, and societal shifts. Watching them keeps writers in tune with evolving language and themes, and it allows you to infuse your own writing with fresh, authentic voices or ideas. For example, spotting a popular challenge could spark a plot idea or help you avoid outdated tropes that really nobody's interested in anymore. This ensures that your work feels current and connected to the real world and to real world conversations. The next thing that we can use TikToks and Reels to help us with is craft tips and tutorials. Many creators break down writing techniques in quick, actionable segments, making complex ideas suddenly accessible. There are plenty of videos on enhancing descriptions and character development, for example, which often use text overlays with examples. This helps writers to visualize improvements instantly. Next, we have inspiration from book analyses and tropes. BookTop excels at dissecting books, which can fuel your own storytelling. If you liked this book, try this book videos. Highlight tropes like enemies to lovers, which is a personal favorite of mine, or found family, showing how they work in practice and inspiring fresh twists. Unpopular opinions or books that surprised me discussions reveal unexpected plot turns or character arcs, encouraging writers to experiment a little bit more with subverting expectations for their readers. Trope breakdowns, such as favorite book boyfriends or best main characters, help us to analyze what makes characters really memorable and relatable. Next, we have author journeys and marketing ideas. Indie authors share behind the scenes content that's invaluable for aspiring writers and can give you marketing ideas as well as inspiring you on your own writing journey. Next, we have reading and annotation habits. Videos like this provide indirect writing lessons by modeling critical reading. How I annotate books or books I couldn't put down reveal what keeps readers absolutely engaged. Things like strong pacing or emotional hooks, which writers can apply to their own drafts. Monthly TBR or to be read updates or reading routines expose trending genres and themes, helping you stay culturally relevant. And finally, my personal favorite reason to watch TikToks and Reels is people watching. People watching is absolutely vital as an activity if you are a writer. And what better way to do this than by listening to people's own stories and experiences in micro form? I've lost count of the number of scenes I've written that have been inspired by something that I have seen online. Something romantic, maybe, that someone has done for someone else, or a chance encounter that ended up having absolutely huge repercussions. The possibilities are absolutely endless. So, I am by no means suggesting that you watch TikToks all day rather than writing your book. But if you are going to unwind with a little social media scrolling, it's definitely possible to utilize short form video content so that it's a quick, easy way for you to learn and to be inspired, and is free and easy to access whenever you want. Well, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. I hope that it has been interesting for you. If you can think of any other ways that short form content can help our writing, I would absolutely love to hear about them in the comments below. Similarly, if you think I am talking absolute nonsense, I would love to hear your views as well. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to boop that like button and subscribe if you're not already, because we have a lot of fun on this channel, and I will catch you in the next one.